Today we're going to give you a brief introduction about T31 Continuous Thermometer. First, unpack the box. Open the storage case and take the thermometer out. A flashing green light indicates that the thermometer is working properly. Flip over the thermometer. Take out a piece of the double head adhesives. Take the blue side off and adhere it to the thermometer backside. Press the adhesive to make sure it's attached firmly. Search ViHealth and download the ViHealth app. Open the app, log into your account, and prepare for the connection. Click Add Device. Select T31. The thermometer will be connected to the app in a second. Remove the blue plastic cover and firmly adhere the thermometer under the armpit. The body temperature will be continuously measured and displayed on the app. While measuring, make sure the app is kept open and the thermometer is connected. Press the record and stop bottom to make a record. You can review history records, take memos, and share reports. When measurements are over, remove the adhesive and store the thermometer in the case. The battery is replaceable. When battery replacement is needed, follow the direction arrow and open the thermometer shell. The thermometer uses a CR2025 button battery. Replace the battery and close the shell again. Store the thermometer in the storage case for next use. For more information, please see to the user manual or contact our customer services.